Welcome, my friends. It's a pleasure to have you here in this warm and inviting space. Do you know you can create AI talking images for free? Let me teach you how to do that with Grok, step by step. Oh, I forgot to tell you that it is entirely free and easy to do.
These beautiful necklaces are available in our store.
Who created you?
Chioma made me with grok. Welcome to Chioma Francisca channel. Welcome to today's episode of Chioma's podcast.
Beth,
I love you.
I love you more. Over to Chioma now so she can teach you. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every part is important.
Did you just see those beautiful talking AI images? I created them using Grok, all for free. And that is what I'm going to teach you in this video, step by step. Just like my AI avatar said, do not skip any part of this video because I will show you exactly and the kind of prompt you use to generate your images and how to make those images to talk, act, and do whatever you want them to do. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chioma, and you know what we do here. I teach you how to create beautiful, realistic AI images and how to make those images to talk, that is creating realistic AI videos, all for free. That is what I do on this channel. Let's get into it. I use number of AI tools for my image generation, and I will use one prompt right now, and I'll show you different images that they will generate. I'll be introducing Nano Banana, Meta AI, Bing, and I'll be introducing Grok. Yes, and for the purpose of this video, after generating all these images, we'll start experimenting their outputs on different prompts. Let's get into it. First, I'll head to my app store, but if you're using an Android phone, simply go to your Google Play Store, sorry about that, and download Grok. Just type Grok, Grok, and wait for it to download. After downloading, if this is the first time you're using it, you need to create an account. You can use email or you can use your social media or your Google account to sign in. The same goes for Meta AI. You have to go to the App Store, download it, create your account, or sign in with an existing account. Same for Bing and same for Nano Banana. And for Nano Banana, I am using my Nano Banana through Gemini. Nano Banana is embedded in Gemini. So all I do is I just go into Gemini and I click on Nano Banana and I create my images for free. So now let's go into Grok. Now I've finished signing up for my Grok. Let's start creating the image. Right here, I will give it prompt to create a studio-like image of two people, a man and a woman, and you see the output.
Who created you?
Chioma made me with grok.
I gave the prompt. And one beautiful thing about Grok AI is that after generating the first set of images for you, when you scroll all through those images and you don't see something that matches what you want, you can just click on your prompt and make adjustments. Let's take, for example, you gave Grok AI a prompt to generate to maybe a woman and a man, and after generating that image, you can see that the age of these people did not match what you want. Let's say you want an elderly person or you want someone in their 20s, 30s, 40s, depending on what you want. All you have to do is click on that prompt and adjust it to a woman or a lady in their 20s. You can decide to use a young rich woman in her 20s, and you can even say a rich man in his 50s, in his 70s, in his 20s, whatever you want. You can keep making these adjustments and you can be saving the pictures that it has generated already before you make this adjustment. So when you make this adjustment, the next thing you need to do is wait for it to generate. After generating, look at it again. Is this actually what you wanted? Click again and make adjustments. And this adjustment is not just about rock. All right, you can make these adjustments on Bing and it will keep regenerating till it gets what you want. Disclaimer, some of these AI tools will not give you the same kind of image you want with one prompt. What I mean is that you can just describe a young woman in her 20s, rich and famous, dressed in this and that, and it will generate something that doesn't match the description of what you have in your mind. Of course, it is AI, it is not human. And even humans, when you explain something to humans, sometimes we misinterpret it. So you just have to edit it, make it more descriptive till you get the exact thing you want. So some of these images you're seeing right here, I created them with 2 to 3 different prompts. I keep tweaking it till I was able to get the exact image that I want. Same thing applies to Meta AI, same thing applies to Nano Banana, same thing applies to Bing. Bing is wonderful for creating images. So one of these two is enough for you. You don't need to have account on all these platforms. All right, you can decide to experiment or even check out through this my video to see the one that gives you more of a realistic kind of video that you want, and you can be using that particular one. It is for the purpose of this video that I have to use all of them, so you can check it out with my own video and choose the particular one you're going to stick with. I myself, I am sticking with grok and Bing. Personal preferences for me. And for generating more descriptive prompts, I will advise you to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the goat of all of them. All right, because you need a descriptive prompts for you to be able to give like either grok, Meta AI, Bing, or any other image generation AI tool you're using. Unless you can describe it yourself. But why I always use ChatGPT is that I just tell ChatGPT what I expect, what I want, the result I want, the output I want. So it will give me a detailed prompt. For grok, it generates maximum of, if you want a storyline that is long, all you have to do is to write your script down and keep feeding those descriptions step by step. You just need to tweak those prompts with the same image, and even the tone will not change. So many people believe that the tone will change, but when you are on the same interface and when it generates the first 6 seconds, you click on save, like you replay it to make sure that it stops where you want it to stop. You save it, feed it another prompt, like the continuation of that storyline you want. The tone will not change, the dress will not change, the gesture and everything will match that storyline you want to create. If it's an hour, even if it's 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, just stay on that same interface and continue tweaking your prompts this same way I'm doing it. You just clean, change it, clean, change it, clean, change it, and it will just continue that storyline and you'll be saving it. All you have to do is to look for your video editing app, maybe CapCut or whichever tool you're using. Use it and put these videos, use it and put these clips together, and it will make your storyline uninterrupted. So watch my storyline now, uninterrupted. You might have seen it at the beginning of this video, but I'll put everything together now for you to see how I was able to generate it 6 seconds each, and I was able to merge it. It now has a clear and detailed storyline, just like I generated everything at a go. But I used 6 seconds for each.
Welcome, my friends. It's a pleasure to have you here in this warm and inviting space. Do you know you can create AI talking images for free? Let me teach you how to do that with grok, step by step. Oh, I forgot to tell you that it is entirely free and easy to do. Over to Chioma now so she can teach you. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every part is important.
So today I just showed you how to use grok to generate talking AI videos, all for free. You don't need to pay. All you have to do is to use your Google account or your email account to sign up. All right. So if you found this video helpful, maybe you should check out this video here and check out my other videos. You will see the video you like on how to create free AI images and other tools that can help you generally as a YouTuber, as a creator. Until I see you next time, my name is Chioma Francisca, and bye.
Do you want more?
No, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Welcome to Chioma Francisca channel. These beautiful necklaces are available in our store.